want to know the categories of pearl, it's pretty amazing. I got to know it when I had a travel to Vietnam. One of the tour that was included in the trip was seeing the factory of pearl in Vietnam, and this video will be sharing with you about pearl, the history or the quality and stuff like that. So enjoy the video and hope you like it.
They will give different color for the pearl. You can see Akuya, South Sea, and Patty. Akuya will give the small pearl in the white. And the second one, also the biggest one, will give two color, white and yellow. The pearls, the pearl color based on the leaf of the shell. So that's why it gives different color even from one oyster. The last, also the special one named Teddy, will give black pearls with different color, blue, gray, or green like this. Sometimes you could find the rainbow reflection on the pearl like this as well. It's a peacock color, and that is the most beautiful color of the cleaner world. We have more black pearl in Ha Long Bay right nowadays. 3 species of oyster, they are living in the ocean, so they're gonna give seawater pearl, saltwater pearl, not the freshwater pearl, because 80% of the pearl in the pearl market is a freshwater pearl. The rest, 20%, they are seawater pearls. And 3 species of oyster here, seawater pearls. We cultivate this one. Do you know what it is? Many people think this is a plastic, but it's not. The plastic is fake pearl. They will have plastic inside and dye. But this one made from the shell, mother pearl. We use the machine to make them brown like this, and then we implant this inside the oyster.
Oh, okay.
From this one become pearl like this, we have to wait many years, from 2 to 5 years to get final pearl. For seawater pearl, we have to wait many years to get only one pearl. That's why they make shiny for the pearl. The other pearl don't have luster, just only one color and easy to lose the color. That's why seawater pearl is more expensive than the freshwater pearl. Now please follow me, I will show you how we implant this inside the oyster. To get this one inside the oyster, we need 2 oyster, donor oyster and the recipient oyster right here. Donor, with this oyster we open it, then we cut off the mantle right here to get only this.
Wow.
The rest for kitchen eating. This one we have to remove the skin outside. Just keep the membrane lay in the middle of the skin border like she doing to get only this. And then we divide into small pieces like this. Treat them with antibacterial. We'll have this one live inside the oyster. Without this, nothing happen, no pearl, because this is the catalyst to stimulate the oyster produce the layers of nacre. With this one we got 30-40% successful, but without this nothing happened. We move this and this to the recipient oyster, still alive and implanting inside the oyster. Over here please, you can see easily. We just open this oyster mouth a little bit, otherwise it's dead. Then she got small line of the reproductive organ. Put the catalyst first, then the core next together.
Sorry, madam, what is it actually?
This one from one oyster, from the mantle. Cut it off. So we can see it one more time here. So for seawater pearls, we implant only one pearl inside the oyster. But the freshwater pearl, they will implant 40-50 catalysts outside the metal. In short time, 40-50 pearl come out. But this one, only one pearl come out after many years. We will keep your stumps a month. We will check your stump. When we see the oyster open their mouth,
Yeah.
they dead.
Yeah.
When we tap on them, they still open their mouth. That one's dead, so we have to remove.
Oh.
The one close themselves, they still alive. So we have to clean outside the shell, make them healthier, and put them back again once a month. After 2 to 5 years, we will harvest the ladies. Here you can see we got 3 different pearls. As you know, Akuya, Tari, and South Sea pearl. The value of the pearls based on the size. Bigger is better than the shape, the color, luster, and perfection. Seawater pearls more expensive because they keep the luster long time. The other pearl don't have luster, just color, and easy to lose the color. They're very perfect. But the seawater pearl, even they perfect, they still have tiny imperfection on the pearl, like this. You see the imperfection, a little thing here. Okay,
So this is now the result of the production.
like that.
Yeah.
From different
Yeah.
oyster.
But
The
different
same-
size, eh?
Yeah, because we have to wait different time.
Yeah.
For the pearl, like this. Sometimes we have this, it's not perfect. Even you see the pore inside.
Yeah.
Not good for jewelry. We will grind the pearl powder out to make face cream for the face. Okay? Over here, please. So using machine to polish outside the shell to make souvenir like this or like this. For pearl earrings, it's very difficult to do the pearl same size, color, shape, and quality. This one setting in silver. We also have gold, white gold, 18 karat setting. The necklace, we have to drill the hole through the pearl and make a knot between them. They will stronger and the pearl not catch each other, just in case of one pearl off.
I could stay like this, forever following you. Just don't get too far.
Looking around, I'd like to let you know the information on the pearl here. We got 3 different pearls, Akuya, Tari, and South Sea pearl. Every single pearl you can see the price in lots of zero here, that is Vietnam downn, 125 US dollar. We got 5% discount for everything. All information of the pearl we will write on the back side here. We're more clear about the information of the pearl is black and silver. We also have gold, white gold, 18 karat. The next about size, color, shape, and quality. We grade the pearl 4A's is the best, and normally we choose the best quality in the gold setting. The long number at the end here, that is barcode controlled by government. All information will make certificates for the pearl. They are real and seawater pearls. Okay, you can keep the luster many years. This is a cream made from pearl powder. You can have a try on your hand, it's okay. Want to try some?
Alright.
Can you rub it?
So this side we got the sterling silver setting, and that side with the gold and white gold 18 karat setting. Some souvenir we display at the end of our showroom. Thank you for listening and have a looking around.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.